Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your ChatGPT conversation as PDF on your Google Chrome mobile app. So first, you can open your Google Chrome and then go to your ChatGPT. After that, let's say I want to choose this chat as a PDF. So this is the chat I want to save as a PDF. I will just click three dots in the top right corner here. And then as you can see, there is share option. You can click it. And then you can see there is option to print. This one, you can click it. And then for the setting, you can choose whatever you want. And I will just click print button here. And then I will just choose the folders. Let's say this is the folder I want to save. Just click save here. And it's done. You can check the folder. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.